Good morning, and welcome to your daily Farm and Home Show, brought to you by the University of Kentucky Cooperative Extension Service. And now, here's your host.
Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm Kristi Shive, and this morning we're visiting with Catherine Webster, 4-H agent for Simpson County. Good morning, Catherine.
Good morning.
4-H does so many wonderful things in our community, and horse camp is something that I have heard so many wonderful things about, and you are here to tell us more about that.
Yeah, so 4-H youth development programs in Kentucky have 7 areas that they focus on, and one of those is animal science, livestock. Horses fall into that. We have a really strong horse program across Kentucky. It's where a lot of kids that are interested in horses kind of get their start, because there's the educational component. We have horse clubs in a lot of counties. We have contests on the district level, on the state level. If you're not into showing, there's educational contests where you can do hippology and horse bowls. So a very large-scale horse program. Before my time in this area, in the Mammoth Cave area, there was South Central Kentucky 4-H Horse Camp, and that is still going on today, and I've been here 20 years. So it's a very well-established program. Lots of parents talk about how great of a program it is, especially, whether you're already in the 4-H horse program or you have horses and you've been maybe thinking about getting your kids into 4-H, it's a great place to start.
Right, and there's so many skills that can be learned through this program that I think people don't even realize.
I think our animal projects, just in general, probably the biggest thing to teach kids responsibility.
Right.
It's not where we just go get an animal and we leave it outside and we feed it. There's a lot of care and a huge amount of responsibility. It does cost money, so just a lot that kids can learn from having an animal project. We do South Central Kentucky 4-H Horse Camp. It will be April 16th through the 18th. We do it at the L.D. Brown Ag Expo Center. That's part of Western Kentucky University. We rent those facilities. Registration this year is going to be on a Thursday night, and then camp will take place all day Friday and all day Saturday. It is an event. If you're enrolled in 4-H, it's not an absence in terms of school. I promise these kids will learn a whole lot on Friday, as much as they would learn in a classroom, just a little different. But it's open to the Mammoth Cave counties. So if you fall in that area, or if you're not sure, you can contact your extension office to find out. It's for ages 9 to 18. You do have to have an adult chaperone. Most kids there will have a parent with them for the weekend, or somebody will bring a group of kids. There will be opportunities if you do the Western judged. If you're in that division, if you're into speed, some people know that as the contests. There's walking, racking, mountain. We're adding a trail riding class this year. So lots of different divisions that you can come and learn more about. You do bring your horse. So you'll bring your horse with you for the weekend. There's plenty of facilities to stall your horse. There are some camping hookups. So some people will camp, some people are close enough they'll go home at night. You can also bring a tent and put that up in the exposition center and sleep in the expo.
That sounds like such a blast, Catherine.
We have meal options. Usually there's at least 100 youth that are there, a couple hundred adults and parents, because usually the family comes. Again, we come in on a Thursday night. It's all day Friday, all day Saturday. We'll head home about supper time on Saturday night. There is a horse lovers option. So if you don't have a horse, but you want to be a part and you want to learn more, then you can come again for the weekend, and we'll have an instructor with you that you'll learn a little bit about all the areas, lots of hands-on activities. You just won't be on a horse. Saturday only, we also have a clover beds class. We can't put our 5 to 8-year-olds on horses, but we know we have siblings that will come along for the weekend. We have 5 to 8-year-olds that just want to know more about horses in general. So again, they'll have an instructor, Saturday only. Lots of activities for that age.
So if someone is watching and they want to get involved, how can they get more information?
So they'll need to contact their extension office. Again, it's open to the Mammoth Cave counties. Our other end of our district, District 6, they also offer a horse camp. So you just need to contact your extension office to find out if that's something that's offered for your county. But ours, again, April 16th through the 18th. Registration deadline is the second week of March. So you want to go ahead and contact your extension office. If you're not in 4-H, all of our counties, or most of our counties, have 4-H horse programs, so it's a great time to join.
Well, thank you so much, Catherine.
Thank you.
If you have more questions, contact your local extension office. Thanks for joining us, and we hope you have a great day.
If you have questions about today's topic, please call the Warren County Extension Office at the number on your screen. Thanks for watching and have a great day.